Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize financial planning with Ameriprise, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your financial goals. Consider both short-term and long-term objectives. Evaluate your current financial situation. Gather all necessary documents, including income statements and expenses. Identify your income sources, such as salary, investments, or side businesses. List your monthly expenses, distinguishing between fixed and variable costs. Determine your net worth by calculating assets minus liabilities. Research different financial planning strategies. Explore the comprehensive services offered by Ameriprise. Schedule an initial consultation with an Ameriprise financial advisor. Prepare questions to discuss during your consultation. Communicate your financial goals clearly to your advisor. Review potential investment options tailored to your risk tolerance. Discuss retirement planning strategies with your advisor. Inquire about tax optimization strategies that may benefit you. Explore insurance options to protect your financial assets. Set up regular reviews with your advisor to monitor your progress. Adjust your financial plan as necessary based on life changes. Utilize Ameriprise's digital tools for ongoing financial tracking. Engage with educational resources provided by Ameriprise to improve your financial literacy. Stay informed about market trends that may affect your financial planning. Maintain an open line of communication with your advisor for ongoing support. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your financial planning with Ameriprise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.